Are you looking for some tips on how to level up your woodworking projects? Well, if you are, I got a quick tip for you today on how to level up your joinery. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Jake from Minuteman Wood Design, and today I'm going to tell you about the Miller Dowels joinery system. It comes with a packet of these tapered dowels and a special drill bit to install them. Now, a lot of us use pocket hole joinery. I think it's wonderful. It's allowed a lot of new people to get into the craft and experience and create some wonderful projects, and I still use it. I think most of us still probably use it. But if you want to do something a little bit different, it won't be for every application, but it definitely upscales your woodworking projects a little bit, and I think it has a unique look. And so I'm going to demonstrate here how to do it. So the installation is very basic. I have a box here, just box joints. I did glue it, and I have a clamp on it right now. Install this tapered drill bit, and you will drill down to this line. The only thing you really need to be cognizant of is that you're drilling straight into it. You don't want to come in at an angle or whatnot, right? If you like, you can use a drill guide, but you will actually have to drill in one, switch, drill to the other, and then probably after that you're so far in that you're good to continue on your own. But I'm going to wing it because that's just who I am. Now I'm going to run out some of the wood dust there on the end. No, I'm using pine. Pine's probably not the best of wood because you will get a little bit of tear out depending on, it just is what it is. If I do have tear out, then I'll put some putty in it afterwards. But you'll take the Miller Dowel, you see it has ribs right here. I put glue over the whole dang thing, but I think they only specify to put glue on the ribs, but you know, just do what we want. Insert the dowel into the hole. Alright, rubber mallet is not going to do it. And there we go. Now, like I said, there is some tear out because it's pine. It is what it is. This is incredibly strong. Now I'll put the putty in and I'll sand it out real quick so you see what it looks like. And when you stain it, I think it looks great. Now they just come in birch, oak, and walnut, I believe. So you can get a different grain style with the walnut a different color. Probably won't matter much if you're going to stain it. But this is incredibly strong. Let it set. I built one of these that I stained it in the wrong color for a customer, and so I was trying to break it apart instead of cut it apart. I couldn't do it. The Miller Dowels do come in different sizes depending on what stock you're using. If you're interested in purchasing, I'll leave a link down below in the description. I've recently become an affiliate, so if you click the link, I will receive a small commission with no additional cost to you, and I really appreciate your support in the channel. All right, that's it for today. We'll see you on the next one.